this is...
Tom Harris is taking the first penalty kick. It's me versus Tom Harris. Let's do this.
Do this!
I'm feeling the nerves, you know. Nervous is kicking in.
Yes!
Get the ball.
No!
Start. I've got my dive in and all.
I can edit this, don't worry, so I cut some stuff up.
Bit further back, bit further back. Bit further back. Bit further back. Right.
That's centre.
Right now.
Yes!
Oh no! Why?
Come on.
Gotta be better than that.
Bit to the right.
There?
Yep. To the right.
There.
Yeah. You always go to the right, so.
Oh!
Yes!
Come on!
Alright, next penalty. It's me.
Oh.
Oh! That, my friends, is how to miss a penalty. And miss it rather well.
Go then.
Me.
1-1.
We're there.
Wait further out.
That's been on a cow field, hasn't it? There?
Yeah. Two, 1.
Oh wow, I nearly hit the camera. 2-1. After 3 penalties for me. I'm gonna save this, you know.
Yes! Come on!
What I was going with
Back
height.
is on.
It's 2-1. No, it's 2-all at the moment.
2-all. If I save this one, this is your third one.
This is my
So
fourth.
this is your. No, it's not fair. Oh, you're fourth.
Oh, shit. Come on! Due to the camera angle, you can't see the awesome saves. Alright, it's fine apparently.
Alright, my penalty. Alright, it's 2-all.
Bring it
I can't
on!
touch the crossbar.
I really want to win this for some reason.
What?
I really want to win this for some reason.
Missed it.
It's sort of like I.
Oh!
Good save, not gonna lie.
Right. So if I score this and you miss, we win. I win because it's the 5th penalty. 3-2. You have to score this to stay in.
No, because it's first to 5.
Yeah, that was my 5th penalty.
No, it's first to 5.
Oh,
got
right,
penalty.
yeah, sorry.
First to school 5 penalties.
That was easier than your half shot, actually.
I think the penalties all the same. Come on! Number 2. I have to make quite a comeback now to get back in this.
You missed this one, I'll score.
Come on,
I win.
2.
Why?
Yes!
Oh,
Yes, in there! Yes!
I so nearly saved that. If I score this, then I won.
Oh.
I'm feeling the pressure actually. I know how someone feels in the World Cup now.
For bragging rights, this is it. If he scores his penalty, then my bragging rights are gone. What can I do with my life? Paki Rambo!
Yes. Yes. Oh, he's done it. Bucket him. Bucket him. This has been Tom Harris versus Tom Number.
And that's how we end it.
Thanks. Watch it. Oh, Cheers.